Hi everybody, it is time for May's Book Talks. I want to remind you that a really good place to start is the high school library media center page. And if you go to the bottom of this page, there is the link to Teen Book Cloud, and that's where I'm going to be pulling the books from to talk to you about. I also want to remind you that you can follow the library on Facebook and Twitter using these links here. And before I talk to you about the books, when you go to the resources page, we have some other sites that you can get ebooks from. So if you click on the eCard Today link under the More Library System, that's the public library. You sign up for an eCard and you can use any of their audiobooks or ebooks from the regular public library system. We have Junior Library Guild at Home, which has a couple pages of books. It's not a huge selection, but the reason for that is they change them out. And so books come and go. So instead of just having the same set of books to look at, they're pulling books in and out. Open Library has lots of books that you can check out and listen to. And then Audible is offering a couple pages of free audiobooks, and there's some really good current teen YA books on Audible. Really nice for listening to things on your phone. So I just wanted to remind you about those resources. For our book talks today, we're going to go back into Teen Book Cloud. Remember, it's a really good idea to put the books you are wanting to read or using in your favorites. Otherwise, you have to search every time. And remember about bookmarking. We'll talk about that after I talk about some of these books. This first one's called No Problem by Dale Campbell Gate. And Kurt seems to have it all. He has a girlfriend, lots of friends, he has a good summer job, and he's a starter on the baseball team. He really has a promising future until he makes a really big mistake and everything that he so carefully put together in his world starts to unravel. This next book is called House of Dark Shadows. It's the first book in a series of 3, and it is an audio book. Audio books work really well on your phone. This is about the King family, and they have moved from Los Angeles to a small town. And Xander, the teenager in the family, is just devastated. He doesn't want to leave LA at all. But after moving in, he and his siblings become fascinated with the house. It's a huge Victorian fixer-upper, and there's all kinds of rooms and secret doors and passageways. And there's a huge dark wooded area surrounding the house. But as they start to explore and spend time there, they become aware of the fact that there is something very, very odd about this place. The next book is Flight. This is also an audiobook, and this is by Sherman Alexie. Sherman Alexie wrote The Absolutely True Diary of a Part-Time Indian, probably one of the most checked out books in our high school library. It is a humorous and sad story about a young man trying to grow up on and off the Indian reservation. And this is written by that author. It's about, it's a tragic story told with humor and hope, just like the Absolutely True Diary. Just as the main character is about to commit an atrocious act of violence, he is shot back in time into the body of an FBI agent. And he spends time in that body, and just when he thinks he's going to get to go home, he is sent to experience life as someone else. So he's shooting back and forth in time, and these experiences change him in a very profound way. I'm going to listen to this one. I think it's going to be really good. It's called Flight by Sherman Alexie. The next one is called What World Is Left. This is a historical fiction by Monique Polak, and it's about a girl named Annika. She is Jewish, but it literally means nothing to her. Her family do not practice the Jewish religion, and so it was a very small part of her life until the Nazis invade Holland. It is based on the true story of the author's grandmother. The next one's called The Hippie House, Emma and Megan are spending the summer at a house her uncle has dubbed the hippie house. As they hang out in the sun and swim, her brother's band starts meeting there and holding daily practices. And the girls spend a lot of time in town, and they kind of attract a group, a following of musicians and loners who just keep showing up at the house. And it's exciting. It's also a little scary. Soon, in the fall, they're back to school, but one of the girls that have been staying with them has gone missing, and her body is found, of course, at the hippie house. And it throws the small town into turmoil as they try to figure out and solve the mystery as to what happened at the hippie house. The next one is a graphic novel called Yuki versus Panda, and this is the most highly anticipated graphic novel about a schoolgirl fighting a panda bear ever. It is book 1 in a series of 3 graphic novels, and this one is suggested for older people, grades 10 and up. So you might want to check out Yuki and the Panda. Escape Velocity is by Robin Stevenson. Lou's dad had a horrible accident years earlier, and he's on disability. He can't work. He's pretty much addicted to painkillers. In fact, she says he's not really good for much of anything, but he loves her dearly, and he does his best to take good care of her. And he has had a stroke. Now, Lou's mom left them when she was a baby, and Lou has never lived with her mom. Has never really spent time with her, but as her dad simply cannot take care of her anymore, she needs to go stay with her mom, and it's going to take a lot of adjustment. And then lastly is Infinite Blue. This is a romance, also a fantasy, if you want to give that one a try. Really quickly, I want to just pop into one of these to remind you, make sure you're bookmarking, so you listen for a while, you set the bookmark, and then you can leave. And as long as you come back on the same device, you click bookmark and you're back at the spot you left off. And that goes the same for the ebooks as well. Thanks for listening. If anyone ever has questions, I do have open library hours from 9 to 9:30 and 11 to 11:30, even if you just want to chat. Have a good day.